How's everyone today? So it's been a while since I did a vlog, and I decided today that I was going to do one. Today is Sunday, so you probably won't see this vlog until Monday, Tuesday, depending on how much energy I have to get it edited and stuff, because obviously I do work, so I don't get as much time to, you know, do other stuff. But I am trying, because it's very, very important to sort of like do your own thing and just live life. Like, you cannot just work. It's just not good. So yeah, so yesterday I was meant to go to the Christmas markets. I really wanted to show you guys the Christmas market. Like, it's amazing. Sorry, I keep cutting off my face. Like, yeah, I really wanted to show you guys the Christmas market because it's super amazing. Like every year, like every December around Christmas time, they're bringing like the Christmas markets, and some places are just like one line and then you've got like stalls, but in Manchester they've dotted around different areas, and these are just stalls that sell lots of different things. So in one stall you might have people selling scarves and hats, then in another stall you might have people selling Christmas stuff like lights and stuff, then you've got like food stalls, and they've got like hot dogs, like sausages from all over the world. So you get like sausages from all over the world and just different food, and then you've got other stalls which do like mulled wine, so you can do live music and stuff, and then you've got some that does what do you call it, yeah, like hot chocolate, like Bailey's hot chocolate, and yeah, it's just amazing. So I wanted to go and have a look at it yesterday, and just to walk around it. Over the past few years I've always been, and I always end up buying random stuff that I don't need, like, yeah. You don't see these things, but you're aware of them. You don't see them all the time. You're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna buy this one, I have some use for it. Last time I bought like this lampshade, I forgot what it's called, but it looks so cool. And when I bought it, it was one of those I have to make myself, and I couldn't make it, and I didn't need it anymore. It didn't go with my room, because my room is green and that was green and white, but the green was too bright, you should say, so it was just no use to me. So that was like a waste of money. I bought like other stuff that's been useful though. Like, I bought like this necklace, and it had like it's like a glass, it was like a little round ball, and inside it was like a flower. It was like really cute, and it had like matching earrings and stuff. Oh, and last time I got my mum a fruit basket from there, which was quite nice. It's not in the kitchen anymore, I don't know where it is, but yeah, so it is useful, but you have to be careful that you don't overspend basically. So yeah, yesterday I wanted to go, and it was raining all day yesterday. Like, it was raining, it was 3 degrees, it was super cold, and I was just like, I'm not going out there for no one, because it was just messy yesterday. So yeah, I didn't want to walk around looking at stalls in the rain. It's just not how I want to spend a rainy day. So yeah, I didn't end up going. And then today I am meant to go out to like a bar or something, but that depends on the other person, because it just depends if she's free. If she's not, it's not much of a bother to me to not go, because it's Christmas. I'm trying to save money. I've got lots of presents to buy, and I'm trying to save, do you know what I mean? So the last year, I don't mind like not going out and spending money at this moment in time. So yeah. Anyways, it's, I don't know what time it is, but yeah, I'm gonna try and make something to eat. I'm not gonna go too extravagant on what I'm gonna eat. I'm probably gonna have like toast, and I'm not up for cereal. I'm just gonna make myself a toast and some tea. So let's see what we've got in here. I asked my mum to buy mint tea. Got some soft tea. I like it, but it wouldn't be my first option. I think I'm gonna make some English breakfast tea. Yeah, we got ginger tea as well, so it just depends on what I fancy. So yeah. Yeah, so I've got to make something to eat now. It's not very early, by the way. I was really tired, so I had a bit of a lie-in. So my face looks really puffy today, by the way. I do have this thing where I wake up with like puffy face sometimes, but it's not so bad today. Maybe I just look fat. But anyways, yes, I'm gonna make something to eat right now, and then I'm gonna clean the bathroom. And then after I clean the bathroom, I'll just see if I go out or not. I've been telling myself that I really want to just relax and watch a nice Christmas movie, and that has not happened yet, so I'm really hoping today I'll be able to do that. So if I don't go out, that's the plan. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna make my toast and then I will check in back when I am finished. So guys, I had my toast and I had my toast and a cup of tea, put some washing. So guys, yeah, I bought this book and I'm super excited to read it. And someone told me about it, we're having like a talk about life in general, and he said he used this book, and I thought, okay, I'm gonna try it out. Yeah, so let me know if you've read it and leave the comments below, and once I finish reading it, I'm gonna give a review about it as well. So I'm dreading to go outside. It's absolutely freezing, so I'm gonna head outside now. I'm gonna head out now, I should say, and then yeah, checking back when I am back. You know, I don't even want to check how cold it is outside, because I feel like there's no point. Yeah, I don't think there's any point checking how cold it is, because it's just gonna put me off going outside. So I'm just gonna go, and then when I get back in, I'll probably check how cold it was. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna come back soon. I don't know what this vlog is gonna turn out like, but hopefully it's still watchable, I should say. I'm trying to look for my shoes. Sorry, I'm not just walking around for no apparent reason. Put some light in here. Yeah, I'm trying to look. You might be wondering, like, why are you not used to the cold? You're living in a cold country. But I don't know why it's changed. Like when I was younger, I used to go out without jacket, like, and my grand auntie always used to say, we need to dress properly, it's going to affect us when we're older. She used to use this phrase that says, it says it's not right away when the leaf go into water it starts to change. Something along that line, which means it might not affect you now right away, but it will probably affect you later. I'm out of breath from coming up the stairs. So yeah, I don't know what has changed along the way, why I can't manage the cold anymore. I don't know, but the weird thing is, if I was gonna go out, if I'm going clubbing, I'm not gonna wear a jacket, because I don't like paying to put my jacket up when I'm out. And where's my car? Oh yeah, I don't like paying to put my jacket up. Oh, it's shut again, sorry. Yeah, I don't like paying to put my jacket up, and if I don't want to pay, I'm not going to dance and hold my jacket in my hand. You know what guys, it's actually, I can't believe how good this video is. Like, it's really dark outside, yet it is still showing a bit of lightness to it, so that's cool. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Oh. So So we got everything ready.
Play some music.
Yeah, I'm gonna put on some old Jamaican song, please. And then when we're coming back, then we'll put on other songs
like Drake.
Yeah, Drake.
Cold, Christal,
I know it's on, but it doesn't warm up straight away. It's so cold, guys. Like, honestly, it's freezing. On my car, it's saying it's 6. It's 6. Can you hold that for me, please? Yeah. On my car, it's saying it's 6 degrees at the moment, but I feel like it's less than that. Right, guys, so I'm gonna head out now, and then when I get back in, I will continue the vlog. Okay, I might continue vlogging when 2 of my favorite songs come. It's not my favorite song, but I love this song. Like, I create like this playlist and with all these old Jamaican tunes. So when this song comes on, when the 2 songs come on that I really love, I will vlog again, because I just want to share this moment with you. Oh gosh, all you can see is my eyes. Thank you. We're here now, guys. I don't think I'll be able to show you that song. I will tell you the name of it, but yeah, because you know, it's not as easy to drive and do this. Not that I'm driving and do this, I'm parked up right now. So I'm here now, so I'm gonna go head over to the house and get what I need to get and do what I need to do. And then, yeah, I'll take you on a walk with me though. Huh? Are you coming? You're not coming?
Alright.
Alright, come. So, oh gosh, it's so warm in the car, and then I come out in this cold. Hello guys, so I am back home. I didn't get to look that much outside because it started to rain, and obviously I think the camera is waterproof, but I don't want to risk it, you know what I mean? So I didn't vlog. I got what I needed, did what I need to do. I'm back home. I just need to have my dinner, and then because I'm literally starving right now, all I had was that toast from this morning, so you can imagine how hungry I am. So I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna clean the bathroom, and I really want to watch something, guys. Like I keep saying, I want to watch a Christmas movie, and I've not managed to do it. So next time, hopefully soon. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and